Many small businesses in Clemmons, North Carolina dream of growth and expansion. Having a well-executed viral social media strategy can make this dream a reality. If you're searching for a cutting-edge viral social media strategy team near you, look no further. Stop wondering how some competitors consistently attract new customers every week seemingly on demand, while others struggle to get attention. We're going to be revealing a technique that enables us to use social media to drive an endless stream of customers to the front door of local businesses in Clemmons, like restaurants, salons, and small retail stores. It's all built on a powerful formula that gets local community members in Clemmons to buzz about the businesses we want to grow. Today, we're unveiling the viral social media secret formula that's transforming local businesses into customer and client magnets. What if I told you there's a proven strategy that not only grows your online presence, but also fills your local business with eager, paying customers? It's the ultimate game changer. So what's the secret? We give these people a too-good-to-ignore incentive to act as our biggest fans and then leverage that love to go viral in that community. We can break the winning formula into 3 steps. Step 1, identify your target audience. Step 2, craft an irresistible offer. Step 3, harness the power of social media platforms to spread the word. The results can lead to explosive growth and a steady stream of referrals. Lots of new weekly leads, sales and repeat customers who are doing everything they can to tell all of their social media friends in Clemmons about it. The really great news is that we're sharing that formula in a special workshop that you can pick up today and watch immediately. If you put what you learn into practice, you can start getting results as soon as next week.
If you wish to grow your small business in Clemmons and tap into the immense benefits of a viral social media strategy, enroll in this beginner-level workshop. It's 4 lessons in one jam-packed session that you can consume in about 30 to 60 minutes. Be sure to visit viralsmallbiz.com to get access to the viral social media campaign formula from start to finish. This is perfect for any Clemmons small business owner who wants to turn their social media pages into a profit machine. We thank you for watching and look forward to sharing more insights with you.